Alright kids, welcome to In the Kitchen. Today, don't mind the mess, we're getting ready for Super Bowl! Excuse me. But today, we're going to be doing grilled cheese. Now, grilled cheese is like a lot of y'all's favorites. And I'm going to show you the basic how-to. Now I have one of these flat things here, and it's really hot. If you have one of those griddles, you want to preheat it to like 375-ish. Okay, and then I like to, you can look here and say, what's wrong with your butter? It's melted. It's a whole lot easier to work with this if your butter is soft. So you put your butter on there, just like that. No needs to build the sandwich yet. Take this, you're going to set it down there. I'm going to go ahead and do another one. We'll make two of them. Okay, and you gotta move fast. So there's that. As soon as it gets on there, it starts, you know what, I'm thinking 350. I'm getting a little bit of smoke off that. So I'm thinking 350 ought to be good. So let's move these up so you can see them. Put the cheese on that one. And you want the cheese on there before you do the top part of the bread because the heat's still coming up through them bread pieces. So you want that heat to melt that sandwich or it's not going to go together. And I think I melted my butter just a little too much. It'll be fine. I have another tool besides a butter knife that will do it. You can just set that on there, right on the melty cheese. Yeah, there we go, that's good. Just like that. And then, goodness, excuse me, I got the coffers. Well, looks like all my utensils are dirty, the figures. So I'm looking for something to flip with. It's not going to scratch up my griddle. This is not what you want, but this will work. So you want to flip them. Mine I can smell is already getting kind of dark. Oh yeah, well that's about perfect. Oh, it is hot. Be careful when you touch it. Hot stuff makes hot stuff. There we go, look at that. Perfect grilled cheese. Now if you want to spice this up a little bit, you can get some fancy sauce stuff like onion powder, that's good. Garlic powder, that's good. I like this seasoned pepper thing. It's not hot and spicy, it's just adds a to it, you know, just a, and then it's, yeah, you get a sandwich. So that is how. Now the second side is not going to cook near as long as the first side. So you can't be teaching a video and keep talking and talking and talking and expect your sandwiches not to burn. So I'm going to flip it over. See, that one's ready to go. And that one's ready to go. In the kitchen with Mr. Dunn. Next week I'll make you something to go with this.